Hello, hello. Hope you all can hear me. If you can't, kindly put your phone on loudspeaker, because today's content is gonna be an exclusive one. By the way, I go by the name Pentium, and I'm glad to have you once again here. If today happens to be your first time, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you become the first to watch any of my videos. You can as well check in the description and have WhatsApp and Telegram groups so you can join. Over here we share videos on tech related stuff and also share free browsing tricks and cheats. I know most might be wondering why is Pentium saying you could make unlimited calls without paying for nothing. Okay, it's really possible. It's possible. I'm going to teach you how to make your 1 hour call, 2 hour call, and pay for as little as 1 peso. That sounds very interesting. Okay, so in my previous video, many were happy that I brought my men, as the skeleton men, to perform on the stage. Okay, so I'm just going to bring them. They are backstage, so I'm going to introduce them. Okay, so now let's get started and dive into the process. Okay guys, so basically we're gonna activate this sheet with 2 subscriptions. It's a 2-in-1 affair. Okay, it's quite unfortunate I cannot make the 1 hour or 2 hour call in the video in order to show you proof, but trust me, if you follow me carefully and act according to the instructions in this video, you're going to enjoy as I'm doing. Now most of us know about the MTN free after one, or the MTN Ghana. Okay, this offer was has been there way back in 2018. It has been there and it's very convenient. Most have been using it. Okay, so with this you get to pay for the first minute of the call and talk for free minutes after. Okay, now MTN rewards you 50 megabytes of data in addition as bonus. Okay, so this is quite convenient and most of us know about this. Okay, so we are going to, as I said earlier, we are going to use 2 subscriptions to activate this sheet. So you go to your phone dial and you dial *315#. Okay, now after activation, okay, that's the first step of the process. Okay, as I said earlier, it's a 2-in-1 activation process. So we are going back to our mashup sheet. Okay, but over here we choose the call time offer. Okay, so we are interested in the call time. We are wouldn't be doing the data offer. Okay, so that one too we will follow the same process, that is the *567#. Okay, so you go to your phone dial and you dial *567#. Okay guys, so For the mashup, we choose 0.07 pesos. Okay, we bundle for 0.07 and we activate by choosing the call time offer. That is, we get 1.75 megabytes and 1.75 of data. Okay, so now I've activated mine. Okay, now virtually I have 2 minutes of data of call time. Sorry, that's 1.75. Now so after activation, you are now eligible to make free call for the first 1 hour. Okay, now let me explain this. We are activating the mashup cheat of 1.75 minutes to replace the first minute that MTN would have deducted from the Incomode. That's the free after one. You know, when as I said earlier, for the MTN Incomode or the free after one, you get to be deducted for the first minute and make few calls thereafter. So the mashup cheat of 1.75 minutes is going to replace the first minute of the call. So basically the 1.75 minutes that you bundled out of the mashup, okay, comes to replace the first minute that would have been deducted from the MTN Incomode. Okay, so this is simple. The system just sees the mashup of 0.07 pesos that you bundled to gain 1.75 minutes to replace the MTN fee after one, and the after minutes will be deducted as if it were the MTN Incomode. So guys, you can use this for your phone calls and other stuff. Okay, when you want to bundle and you want to call for 1 hour, you just use 0.07. okay, and you follow this procedure and activate yours. Thank you for your time, and if this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you once again. Hope to see you another time. Bye.